Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arce, well known to be the Ultimate Gardener. Come join me in becoming an Ultimate Gardener day by day. So in today's exciting sprouting video, we're gonna go ahead and do some garden renovation. I decided to film this as a series for you guys to show you guys the transformation the backyard garden is going through. And so I'm gonna go ahead and do a whole bunch of different stuff. So let me go ahead and flip around the camera and show you guys what's currently being worked on and what has already been done. So let me go ahead and do that. So Ultimate Gardeners, here is the main area bed. You can see that the garden's an absolute mess. Please excuse that, but this is going to be transformed throughout this winter season. But this is what we've worked on already. So here we have 3 raised beds right here. We have one with the salad bowl lettuce, purple and green tomatillo, and then we have some with some peppers in here. This has already been done, weeded and worked in here. And so we have these 3 set in. Next, I'm currently working right here, so we're gonna go ahead and remove the desert rose, ground orchid, the stasha daisy is staying, and any other annual, the hardy hibiscus, is gonna be taken out and potted up. The crepe myrtle, I'm doubting to keep it or move it, but I know the whole ideal is to make a raised bed here and one in front of it right here. So I know one of them is gonna be filled with another lettuce type plant, and the other one is still undecided yet. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now, and if I have more time, I'm gonna go ahead and start on this area right here. But the whole idea is to have this entire raised bed concept fill up the entire garden. So here's a quick update on the bed we did. So the broccoli did stay alive, the tomatoes are doing great, the cabbage is doing great. That needs to be treated though, but we're focusing on here. So if I have an update, I'll be right back with you guys. So I'll come back to you guys when we have this weeded and cleared up, and I'm gonna start the raised beds. So Ultimate Gardeners, here it is. So I ended up deciding to go with the Smart Pods huge raised bed that they sent me not too long ago. So we could go ahead and have a break of these and then have this raised bed, and then we're going to continue the white ones here. And so I could not fill this all the way up with soil. I did not have enough. So I'm going to start a crop that's really easy to grow until when this crop is done, we're able to grow a different crop, and when I'm able to supply more soil. So I'm actually going to go ahead and grow. This is actually from heirloommountain.com. This isn't actually a small business. You guys should go support. They sent me these for me to try out. So I'm going to grow lettuce in here for winter so I could complement the other one that's over there. But this variety right here is called mustard purple Osaka lettuce. This is great for Florida. So all these varieties that they sent me are great for Florida. So I'm going to go ahead and just sprinkle this on top, let it grow. And once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and take those out, re-amend the soil, and apply new soil. So I'm gonna work with what I have right here. I'm gonna just sprinkle the soil. Of course, I'm gonna amend it like I did with the other ones. And so let me go ahead and show you how I amend it. So I already went ahead and amended, but here's a quick run through of the compounds I used, or elements, to amend the soil. So I added some rice hulls, some vermiculite, some fine vermiculite, compost, perlite, and some Miracle-Gro potting mix in here to amend it, because I didn't use 100% great soil here. So I needed to amend it so the crops could be happy. So now the only thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and sprinkle the seeds in here. I don't need to bury them or anything. They're lettuce seeds. You can literally just sprinkle them and they'll sprout. I'm gonna water them in, and then this area is done for. And I think that probably is gonna be it for this video, because it's kind of looking very cloudy, and I know it's gonna rain very soon here because our temperatures are gonna drop very, very low soon. So I want to make sure I have this done and cleaned up and everything before the rain goes ahead and beats me to it. So let me go ahead and sprinkle the seeds here, and then we're gonna wrap this video up. So I went ahead and I planted the seeds. Such an easy task to do and such an easy crop to grow during the winter as well. I went ahead and I folded the sides over because I don't want any type of because it was over excessive sides, because it didn't fill it up all the way, and they tend to flap inwards, and that would completely prevent sunlight from receiving the seeds or water. So I just flipped them over so everything could be watered and get sunlight equally. So I already did this area, just to do this area next, and then we're gonna go part by part, and then we have a completed garden. Well, no garden is completed, but design wise is gonna be completed. So that's gonna be it for this video. Let's go ahead and wrap it up. While the birds are singing out there, let's go ahead and wrap this video up. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you learned something new or found this video entertaining, please leave a like down below. And while you're down there, please consider subscribing to show the Ultimate Gardening channel some support. We are very few followers away from 2,800, and then from there, we're only gonna need 200 subscribers more, and we hit our 3,000 milestone. And I promise you, each and every single time we hit a milestone, we're gonna get a bigger giveaway. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and may God bless you and your entire family, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.